apples, lemon, salt, and honey. From the garden, 2 different kinds. Put salt in a big bucket and then some water. There's a lot of apples, so we're gonna put the apples we cut in the salt water bucket so they don't oxidize while we cut the other ones. The skin contains nutrients, color, and flavor, so I like to keep it on. Fill it with apples. I found some berries, so I'm gonna put them in for exotic flavor. I let them cook on low heat for about an hour. They're finished when you see the volume has decreased. Then remove the apple juice so it doesn't get too soggy. Let it rest for a little bit. While the other one cools down, I'm making the next batch ready. Foreshadowing. Add a lot of honey, some salt, and lemon, and squish them together. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Reuse the honey jars. Ka-ching! Enjoy a slice of homemade bread. The second batch, I tried to cook it for half an hour longer, and they became kind of juicy and soggy. Holy schmack, you did it. Good job, mate.